If you have ever tried building GLOMAP on macOS, you know how frustrating it can get. Errors here and there, missing libraries, and hours wasted just to make it run. In this video, I'll make it simple for you. I'm going to show you how you can build both COLMAP and GLOMAP on macOS without getting any errors. Before we begin, just a quick note. During the installation of certain things, you might be prompted for your password. Just type it in and press return. I've also put a link in the description with all the commands used in this video. You can just copy paste them directly while following along. Our first step is to install Homebrew. If you already have it installed, you can skip this part. Otherwise, run this command. When prompted for your password, like I said, just type it and press return. Press return once again. It may take few minutes, so let it complete. Once the installation is completed, run this command to verify it. If it shows a similar path, that means Homebrew is installed successfully. Next, we will install all the required dependencies, and for that, just run this command. This will take care of everything needed to build COLMAP and GLOMAP. Now let's move on to building COLMAP, and for that, run this command. This step will take some time, so be patient and let it finish. Once it is done, run this command to verify the installation. If your output is something similar, then you have successfully installed COLMAP. Now that we have COLMAP ready, let's build GLOMAP. For that, run this command. This process is faster compared to COLMAP, but it still takes time. Once complete, type this command to check the installation. If you see something similar, then you are good to go. If you want to clean up build files, then run this command. And that's it. You now have both COLMAP and GLOMAP installed on your Mac. In my next video, I will show you how to use them together in a 3D camera tracking workflow. Kinda similar to Polyfort's tutorial, but this one will be for macOS. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe.